everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hermione and today I'm going to be sharing a massive thrifted homeware haul. I recently did a big homeware haul from shops like the supermarkets and TK Maxx, but I've also been stocking up on thrifted items for the new house. You might notice I'm wearing the same outfit as I was in my last haul because I realised I wasn't going to fit everything in one video, so I've split it into two. So this is the thrift one for those of you who really like thrifty finds. Just a heads up, this video is very kindly sponsored by Squarespace. I love Squarespace, I use it for my personal website, so if you do want to make a website, a blog, an online store, make it with Squarespace. And with that being said, let's jump into the pile. First up is this vase, and this is possibly my favourite find ever because it looks so brand new and it's just 110,000% my aesthetic. But I picked this up for £2. It's originally from Next, so I guess maybe this was old season stock or something because they did have a few of them in there. And I love it. I have this one up on my shelves over there. It goes with all my other pink things, so this is definitely a win. Next up, last week I found the best salt and pepper shakers you've probably ever seen. Wait for it. Ah, look at them! They're like little peaches or nectarines, I don't know. They kind of look like butts, but they're peaches, so they're just so cute. I picked these up in the RSPCA shop and they were £1 for the pair, so I love these so much. I already have salt and pepper shakers, so I think I'm going to use these in the dining room and the other ones in the kitchen, but I couldn't leave these behind. I think I put these on my Instagram stories, so once in a while if I pick up something really cool in the charity shops, I will pop them on my Insta story, so do check that out if you want to keep in. I've dropped salt on me. So do check that out if you want to. I've done it again! You never learn. Yeah. Check out my Instagram stories if you want to stay up to date with what I'm finding. In the same shop, I found this Honeypot. This was £2.50 and it's so sweet. It comes with the spoon and it's got little bumblebees all over it. It looks like a beehive. I've seen a few of these in charity shops recently, but this was the nicest one I found, so I held out until I found a really good one, and I like this one because it's just plain cream. I've actually seen this kind of design creeping into the high street stores, like this kind of beehive design for like candles and things, so I was really pleased to find that in a charity shop. So go check out your local charity shop, and if you don't like the ones they have, you can always spray paint them and yeah, maybe make a candle out of them. These need a good wash and I'm going to try and do that after this video, but I picked up a set of 5 of these ceramic they're like herb jars, but they are just ceramic, and on them they say like thyme, cinnamon, nutmeg, garlic, etc. And I thought they were really sweet, whether you want to have the writing showing or turn them around and have them plain. I thought they were just really nice, and it was a set of 5 for £1, so I had to pick them up. This is covered in salt. Lucky me! Oh goody. And from the local hospice shop, I just picked up a plain old wooden frame. This was 50p. I couldn't leave this one behind. I really love wooden frames. I'm gonna have like a mixture of frames, I think, in a sitting room. So I've picked up a good few like plain wooden ones as well. So that was a good find for 50p. And from the same shop, I picked these up. They were £1 each. They are just like periwinkle blue kind of coloured candlestick holders. I don't often use those tall candles, but couldn't leave these behind because I thought they were lovely and I thought they'd look really nice on top of my fireplace. So guess I'm gonna have to get some candles for them. I'm a sucker for a good wicker basket. I found this one in, I think it is the British Red Cross. It's got this pretty design on the front. It was stuck in my hair. It's gonna be one of those days, isn't it? It was £2.50, which I thought was a bargain, and it would look really nice on a shelf. I'm doing a lot of like natural woods and like this colour and texture in the house, keeping it kind of like beachy a little bit, kind of coastal, so I thought this would be perfect, and it's great for storage. Now I'm trying to really focus on the things I need for my new house. I've not been very good at that, But this one is definitely something I didn't need, but I couldn't not buy it. It's this little wooden box and it was £4. It's actually handmade. It says on the bottom that it was a handmade jewellery box. It's so sweet, and the fact that it's handmade and so perfectly made is just really, really lovely. And I thought this would look really nice styled on shelves as well. Once again, I love that kind of colour of wood. I just thought it'd be an interesting piece to style, or actually for storage for putting jewellery in. So yeah, couldn't leave that one behind. That was from the RSPCA. And also from the same store, I picked up a giant spoon. I think I was going a bit retail therapy crazy at the time. I don't really know why I bought this, but I really, really love the texture and the print and the pattern on here, and the colour is so lovely. It's this teal blue. This was only £2, so even if I was going a bit crazy, at least that money goes straight to charity. So yeah. I don't exactly know what this is for. Please tell me in the comments down below, but I have seen them before. And it could be something that you put your tea bag in when you want to save your tea bag. I don't know. Please tell me what this does, because I know it's useful for something and I need to give it a use. Otherwise I'm gonna feel like I shouldn't have bought it. Probably shouldn't have. I picked up these cushion covers. I think they were from the Salvation Army, I'm not sure, but they were 2 for £1, so I picked up 2 sets of them, and they're this lovely like teal blue colour, and they're kind of like a cord material. They're really thick, and I thought they'd be quite nice and durable for the sofas downstairs. I think I mentioned this in one of my last videos. I'm going to go for a kind of coastal inspired theme. Keep it quite minimal and neutral, but I know Ben loves a bit of blue, so I'm going to put some blue in there as well. Oh no! I got 3 sets. I had a feeling that there were 3 in the shop, and I was like, let's buy 2. I only need 2. And then I bought 3. Okay, so I spent £3 and I got 6 cushions, but that's not bad, and the money does go to charity, and I think I was probably thinking about DIYs when I picked up the extra set. I picked this vase up because I thought it might look really nice in the guest bedroom. This was from Age UK. I'm looking at it now and I'm not 100% sure, but it was £1.99, and I'm going for this kind of tealy blue colour in the guest room, probably a bit more blue than this. This is a little bit green, but I just thought it was really nice. I love how the colours kind of blend into each other, and I just thought it's kind of different and would look nice on a shelf or something. I don't know, I'm just buying knickknacks at this point, but it's kind of cute. So my local hospice shop has like a really big furniture store on an industrial estate, so I dragged my friend there the other day and I ended up picking up this painting. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's actually an actual painting. It's a watercolour of some kind of tropical place. It reminds me a bit of Santorini, just with the blue and the white, but it's really, really pretty. I'm definitely going to have to put it in a new frame because this one's looking a little bit old and tired, and it doesn't really go with my decor. Yeah, I thought that was really cool. It was only £4, by the way, so yeah, I'm looking for lots of different art pieces. I've got loads of prints and things, but I wanted to fit in a few that I've like found in thrift stores and stuff too. I just think that they're kind of fun to mix and match with. This last thing has kind of come apart a little bit, but it's a candle holder and it just looks like this. I think it was £4.50 from the RSPCA shop, and it's originally from Sainsbury's, but it's really sweet because it's got 6 different slots for candles, and I thought that would make a nice centerpiece on a table or something. So yeah, it's brand new, it's not been used, it's in 2 pieces at the moment, but yeah, I couldn't not get that one. That is everything. That was a very collective haul. It's got lots of stuff in it that I've picked up over the last few months, but I really hope you guys enjoyed it. These are my favorite kind of hauls to do because it's just, I really like showing you what you might be able to find, and I really like watching this kind of video as well because it gives me inspiration to go out there and look in the charity shops. So if you did like this video, do let me know and I'll try and get some more up once in a while. But yeah, that's everything that I have to share with you. And just quickly, I want to say a big thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. I use Squarespace for my own website, and actually way before Squarespace even contacted me, I've been using them on like old university projects. For my final master's dissertation project, I hosted my website on Squarespace actually, but it's really funny because I actually had like a whole few pages worth of my report as to why I hosted on Squarespace and all the pros and things, and there were no cons. That's why I just really love Squarespace. It's so easy to use. You have amazing, gorgeous designer templates that you can drag and drop things into, and it makes it so easy to set up your own website. If you want to make a blog or just a plain website or an online store, you can track your inventory, you can track orders. It's so handy. And if you also have a domain hosted somewhere else, you can transfer it to Squarespace, so you can all handle that internally. You don't have to worry about going through all these third parties and faffing around. Yeah, so if you do want to host a website, buy a domain, make an online store, do make sure you check out Squarespace. I really, really do love them. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed my thrifty finds, and I guess I'll see you in my next one. Bye.